Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back. I sometimes go to takeout and I thought, I don't want to do this anymore, so I thought I'd create my own dish, and we created this wonderful dish, this honey crispy chicken, so delicious. You gotta try it, so let me walk you through this. We're gonna kick things off here by making the sauce. So I'm gonna start with a 1/4 cup of chicken stock, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of plain vinegar, 3 tablespoons of one of my all-time favorites is honey. I just love you, honey. 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. And I mean, if you don't have this, you can just leave it out. And a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now we're just gonna mix this up. It even smells so good. And we're just going to set this aside. Alright, what I have here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've kind of cubed up. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of cooking wine. I love wine. And you can substitute white wine or chicken stock. And a lightly beaten egg. Some people use egg whites, but I like the whole egg. And of course, some pepper. And I'm just going to use my hands to massage everything into the chicken. Now you can use a spoon, but I like the utensil of my hands. Just make sure you wash your hands afterwards. Chickens like massaging. After that, I'm going to add in a cup of flour. And of course, once again, massaging we will go. And I must add, guys, you want the chicken completely coated in every crack and crevice. And I don't know of any other way to do this but with your hands. So we're just going to set this aside while we preheat our oil. So what I have here is my handy dandy wok, and you can use a frying pan as well, whatever you have on hand. But I've got my oil at about 350, and you can tell if you drop some flour and it sizzles, you know your oil is ready. I'm going to fry my chicken in batches until they're a crispy golden brown. And this is going to take you about 5 minutes or so. Once they're a wonderfully delicious, crispy golden brown, I'm just going to set them aside and do the next batch. And you know, guys, I could eat these right now, but I have to wait. Now once our chicken is a beautiful golden brown, we're going to use the same pan. You don't want to mess with this. I've just reduced the oil, but you got some delicious flavors happening here. I'm going to add in a thumb-sized chopped ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. And I'm just going to saute these for about a minute or 2 just until they're fragrant. I love the smell of this. Once that wonderful fragrance fills the air, I'm going to pour the sauce in, and we're just going to bring this to a boil. After a good boil here, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of cornstarch diluted in a tablespoon of water, just to thicken things up. And we're just going to give this a stir, just until the sauce thickens. It smells so good. Once it's thickened up, I'm going to add the chicken back in. And we're just going to give this a toss until the chicken is completely coated. Yum. And just look at this. The crispiness of the chicken coated with that delicious sauce. Okay, so it's time to kill the heat and plate this up. And this is perfect over a bed of hot steaming rice. Spoon some of that delicious goodness sauce over the top. And there you have it, guys, our honey crispy chicken. Don't forget to garnish this with some sesame seeds, which makes it absolutely perfect. Okay guys, let's give this a taste test. Just look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so good. The crispiness of the chicken combined with the sauce. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. You gotta try this. And the chicken is so tender. Absolutely delicious. For the full details on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes over there. Have a great day, thanks for subbing, and see you later.